Mr. Broby, I brought you here today to have a covenant with you. You know the circumstances surrounding my wife's death.
Yeah.
And you know I have a son who is practicing medicine in the States.
Yes.
And I don't want to have any children or any other child apart from that boy. I don't want when I pass away, any family member will interfere in my business. So I want to invest 85% shares in your business because I don't want my son to experience poverty. And to keep this covenant, I want my son gets married to your daughter so that the money remains in the family.
Thank you very much for the confidence you had in me. I promise to keep this covenant. I, Kwame Brobe, promise to keep this covenant forever
and ever.
And ever.
I, Hornsby, do the same. This covenant is sealed.
This covenant is sealed.
The covenant.
The covenant.
Troubles in my life. Enye easy. I got problems and some troubles in my life. It's not easy. Enye easy. I got problems and some troubles in my life. Don't you worry, this will be okay. Enye easy. I got problems and some troubles in my life. Cry no more, bro, cry no more. It's not easy. I got problems and some troubles in my life. Lots of toasting, lots of guys have been up to her, but she told them she was waiting for the one that God was sent to fulfill a kind of craving, a special kind of loving, one with lot of understanding. Come rain, come shining. People started to say that she wanted more than a Mr. Right. All that she wanted was a man that sees the light. They say she's a fool for being uptight, when all that she wants is good love, not be fight. Special kind of girl, hard to come by. This kind of girl I need my one to make my wife.
This guy's hot. What? Jesus Christ. Freddy. So can't you for once keep away from women? Man, shut the fuck up. Oh man, this is my kind of girl. What? This is my kind of girl. What? She's too expensive, man.
Man, is there any expensive woman in this world? Hey, no, it's not. Yeah, man, just a minute.
All the best. Hi, dear.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
I'm a little busy. Can you excuse me?
Alright, okay.
Jesus Christ. Where did you get this thing? Can I check something?
Oh, this?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Where did you get it? Where did you get the pen drive?
Kasa let me too. Me what done in you, me who she feel. Yeah. Only me who she me yeah. To me share restaurant. Dig. Tell me the food too so. Me be boka. Me body. Sir. It Okay. So before they found it for once. Why ain't you be a member? Why? Maybe dear so. Alright. Dexter. Alright, right.
Bro.
Alright.
Good morning.
Morning.
Off the screen, I just want to know if I'll get the money you promised me yesterday.
Kwame, go. When you come this evening, I'll get the money for you. Why?
Okay. Don't worry, brother. I'll go.
Yeah.
So, see you.
Alright.
Hey, Ross, have you given the pen drive I give it to you to the company?
The pen drive is still under my pillow, Kwame.
Ross, if not,
It's still under my pillow. But don't worry, I'll take it this afternoon. I'll take it, alright?
Okay. So,
Be
see
good,
you, bro.
though.
Okay, I'll do that for you.
Okay.
See you.
Kwame!
Ross.
Yeah, so when we brought it, I didn't know what to do with it. I even told him I said the back, but I don't know what to do with it. He says it's yours.
It's mine. Actually, this is my name.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you. It's mine. Thank you so much.
Oh, all right.
Say it. You've saved me.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, let me give you my card.
Oh, all right.
Okay. Right? You have saved me. Call me. Please call me.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll give you a call.
Your name again. Frank. Thank you, Frank. You really got sent. Jesus. Thank you for saving me.
Give me time. Come on, give me a hug.
God.
She is gorgeous. I must say she is looking coquettish.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
There's been a lot of toasting. Lots of guys have been up to her, but she told them she was waiting for the one that God was sent to fulfill a kind of craving, a special kind of loving, one with lot of understanding. Come rain, come shining. People started to say that she wanted more than a Mr. Right. All that she wanted was a man that sees the light. They say she's a fool for being uptight, when all that she wants is good love, not be fight. Special kind of girl, hard to come by. This kind of girl I might want to make my wife. You're the one, say no more. Don't bother about what the people say, cause I say every time that I look into your eyes, I see fire in there. Fire.
Mameba.
Some
Mudi bang the muni dan amudem. Muni da mun sha da ni dan. Aya.
Good afternoon, madam. Hey, sorry. Good afternoon, sir.
Mimi madam.
Confess.
Obi ani ni ope. Obi she kimpni. Anu obi so sense asawa.
Pacho,
me pese me nanti ya me hu beguo. Enti na me sha overall. Oh yeah.
Pacho, you're Tina.
Tina. Small madam or big madam?
Small madam. Small madam.
Mumu wana henu.
Oh, catching a Fred Ned Dixon.
Fred Ned Dixon. 2 paddies. No. A haram.
Oh.
A haram. Nipa mienu hwehwe nipa baako. Bible nkyerɛ sa akɔle a woman kyerɛ sa. Hwɛ, wo yɛ bɛma onko asenga, na bɛhwɛ ɔba asenga. So bɛma kora kɔfa mienu bɔ so a haram. Na mema mienu timi ba hwehwɛ ɔba baako pɛ. Kyerɛ mo pɛ front and back mboa. Adwembɔni wɔ mtiri mo nkɔe.
Openi da bi.
Ana me se, wo ho na mo mienu no. Baako nyi ne ho sɛ we nti na we pagya we. Saa de meti ase. Me nya kwara wo. Me ya retired soldier man.
Oh, sorry.
Nti I know everything. You understand me?
Ore catching say na down for Fred.
Fred nko ana ehwe. Ana no yonko Dixon bi ja no. Yes. Yes, yeah, now you're talking. Na mokawe, mo park here. Mo afa kama. Come inside and book your name. Yes.
Pacho say.
Mo mra na me ntwe mudi ansa na me ma mo invoice. My invoice ansa na ma kone se bi ha ba. Ti abro hanu. Eduma dia we na ma ho nti. Raji pinwo nim kakra. Na me ma mo invoice. What's your first name?
Fred.
Kwa mi champon ya sabe o ya sabe o homonfa. Yes, spelling is F-R-E-D. F-R-E-D. And
Dixon.
Spell
D-I-C-K S-O-N.
Huh? S-O-S
O-N.
That's S-O-S F-O-N S-O-S Your time, man. Who would I feel time, eh?
At your 12:30.
Manos 2. Free anami home, no, 12:28.
Dear, this man. Pacho Tina near no.
Tina home as an amino Gundan. My minute dear and the sign. Tina home as mathematics near you. English and as a snake. Oh, wow, could you do the best sign? Yajum Bania, come on, I was English. I have a Mapa Macaranta. I feel Nipa mi no very nipa ba ko a uli amoma na ye halam intina me fa so na ba be no dikuta invoice no asembi aba ontumi ya ma draw kala nyina wum o ye kokko kam
me nyedi ko bi ni o
she aburo mpani petri se di want to do abehunu so se wuni wudi munyina ya munyina stop
nyina
na wunyina ga kwa u penwinu mu agina wato cement pen u banka de car u timi nyina family voice man ko pie na liye yo o papa bro boy o papa ya di foto esi o ba John muy John Small madam, Michelle. Go for be going any moments or more. Cook in the Fanta. Chumba, cocoa bacco. White and black.
Man can't just open party my aboko.
Oh, man, read my dancing book. Me boy, no auntie. Me boy, oh, madam, straightforward, sir. Man knocking before you enter.
You didn't know I mean. I just didn't show you any belt out there boy, I'm saying, a zoom and else. Are they? What if you are a boxer?
Small madam, a proper dressing. We once a year retires with Jaman and now policeman behind and the bet dear. We didn't meet me buka, meet me here. Then I was at a book off. Meet me as I cash. A friend twisted. We didn't see I twisted. India, all I know you were Roman. Me Pesema Bomoka. Fear Moody Dimmy, they be at Mam Debbie. Straight dress.
Coco. Why never? Why no one?
Me book with my mom invoice craft Fred and Dixon. My name is Father Dixon. I don't know the reason why your friend Dixon. Kita boys, you mean that you don't go if you are chapapa. Dana Mario. Oh, I'm Dixon, Fred. My name is Eniba. Me know the TV. I'm saying, Mammy, you won't be my African. Can't grow up now.
Hi, sorry.
Found can you?
Oh, Tina.
Wow. Good to see you again.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, Dixon. I'm sorry I couldn't talk to you the last time.
No problem. Why do you are not compete?
Oh, thank you. Come, let's get inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's how you voice to see you.
Come on. You can make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Anyway, you're welcome to my family home. What do you care for?
Give us some glasses and let's join you.
Really? Because I got wine, champagne,
this is okay.
whiskey.
It's okay.
Okay.
Man, I told you I got taste, man. You know what guy is going to give me your head, but give me your head. She's gone.
So?
You have a nice place.
Very.
Really? Thank you. Yes. So how is everything?
I'm fine.
You see, I wanted to introduce you to my parents, but they just left.
Oh, all right. We will come some other time. Yeah.
And I hope it won't be long.
No, for sure. I even wish I can stay and wait for them.
Don't worry. I got more in the fridge.
Thank you.
Cheers. To our friendship. So how is everything?
We are managing.
Fine. Everything is okay.
But your gate man gave us tough time.
This not temptation. I said this not temptation. We got into confusion. Infatuation. Hold on. All my friends they call me number 10. Cause I they play like a cocha. They score like Ronaldinho. Honey Pico. No style with it. They don't go fit to finish. I know the judge finity. I cannot deny it. Cause I they see you, they eye me. Something been there bite me. That I go wanna hurt my wifey.
Hi.
Yamo.
Pachonka.
Oh, you're wrong.
Mrs. Fred.
Why I say we be wrong?
Debbie, Madame Funono.
Once I will hear.
No.
Once I will be here.
Debbie.
Why you watch? Now we will be watching. No, I say no. Kakra, no, I say no. What can I say, Mammy? So she goes. Yeah, you know. Crick, near bay. Your niece comes near your force one near here. And to what them so. Obey, no, eh? Friday! Friday! Bra! My hands on! Why? What were him? Oba. Hey, I'm not what was I watching here?
Mommy. Oh, no, man, baby. Tenase. Oh, Tenase. Hey, Tina.
Hi.
What a surprise visit.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm okay. Yeah.
Me dey kwado me hu no me nsu gujem. He? Me nsu gujem. Me ka so ye police mpanimfo ni be yire wo. Ene wakosa na ade na wo be yire wo. We dey nkanu an se wojem na wokro.
Oh, David, Tina, what a surprise visit.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm okay. Me mama knew. Ma.
Yeah.
A railway na. They be kwame de and de be ba ya. Ngai ne friend Tina.
Me wura kwa aba.
Yeah, I know. But you're here.
Yo, me hu ye.
Where's your brother?
Kwame!
I mean, one and then Kwame! Hey.
Boss. That's all. You call him? Kwame. Test me.
Hello.
Kwame. Sister, you need the man.
Hey, I found it here.
Okay.
You be right on.
In the pen drive, right?
Pen laugh.
Pen drive.
Man, do
It's okay.
Now the man. Oh, what would you say? I will chrono the yempe. Yempe. Name of wood manna obey. And the chrono dear.
Anyway, I brought this to you.
Oh.
It's not for you. It's
Oh.
for me.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh! Mama.
This is Katie. Yeah, not one there. Now, what do you want? No, we don't find Tottenham. I'm not young of food. What time I need not to talk drink coffee? We want to must say no quack. Eh, the good. That's what it. That's it. For Museum, I say. And no one in here. I say.
Fred, I'm not going to keep long here. Change and let's go out.
Go.
Let's find some place to sit for a while.
Oh, okay. EMP. I will say.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for you in the car.
You can make Piatayasha.
When I was here, who come? My woman is and who come? Woman yet. Yo.
Thanks. Bye.
Yo, I don't why. There be a what the idea on the hood. Aye, what the idea on the hood, Yaba. Kakaya ham. Who be yet and
I'm good. Nancy, maybe because you are on for him, money.
oh, where would it to a number? Yeah.
That be the way see.
Hey, I when you know for Papa.
Che, Bruni.
Hey, where the cats?
Bien canisa.
They can't
Half cast. Half cast.
Ah, aye.
Hey, boss, you know. Bradford.
The so from winning me, Otte.
Come here. Then the idea.
Focus away.
See.
stop thinking about it, okay?
That is what I can't stop doing, Tina. My soul is approaching the lake of fire, and it's only you who can rescue me. Please.
You said you were what your parent.
Oh, yeah.
And why are you using the JS's words for me? They goes like, yeah, I am everything I am because you love me. You were my strength when I was weak. The last cockroach in my cupboard. The apple of my eye. The kind of Celine Dion words. Come on.
You made a pepper in my soup. You are the soul in my body.
Come on. Please stop talking to me. Stop using those words.
Trust me, I love you. I really do.
Come on. Let me be sincere with you. I don't love you. I like you. Hey, okay. You give me some time and let me think about it. Okay?
I wish I could break the gap between the like and the love and just put them together. They all start with an L, right?
You cannot break it. It's natural. What I know is love grows. So let's take it from here.
All right, dear.
Hey, why? Oh, okay. Oh, free. Oh, who are you? I do fear with me. Hey, I'm Martin. Hey, madam, hey, blah. Come, inside. I'm going for the fear. Yeah, I'm Martin. Hey, I don't know what you have to say. Let's say, Benny, baby, I'm for a hey, Beba. I'm Martin. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I am man. Hey. I don't know who I said that.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm so fine.
Hey.
And you?
Oh, I'm okay. I'm good.
You are okay?
Yes.
Long time no see you. Hey.
I'm where is Mr.
Mr. and Mrs. Broby. Can you wait? Adam. Oh, okay. Yes, what can someone call? Woman,
You're looking good.
I'm printing. How for him?
Oh, it's America.
America.
Yeah.
You know Rhode Island?
Yeah, of course.
Connecticut?
Yes.
Worcester?
Yes.
And New York? We knew New York.
Yeah.
Now what about the Manhattan? Maybe a trade center and Mugu here. We knew her.
How do you know all these things?
Yes, before now military police.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can't talk about almost she was on a Jamaica. You see, one fact. Really, but I'm going to never when I'm trying. I'm down one step. On the ground. Oh, madam. I'm watching. Oh, long time.
That's my son. Welcome. You look excited. Yes.
Come on, look at him.
You're welcome. Take a seat.
Hey, what you have done, huh?
Mommy, I'm sure, mommy. Can you not tell me so, mommy?
What's your mommy and that's almost your mommy?
Oh, no, yeah, baby, I mean, from be able to mean one. I'm so sweet. Smoke as a married one as a married one.
Oh, you're welcome. You're looking so handsome, my boy.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, how is the States?
Oh, it's good and it's more civilized.
Oh, I see. And when
It's
did you arrive?
stressful, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
When did you arrive?
3 days ago, sir.
3 days ago. And you be hiding from us?
No, mom. It's just I came to Kumasi yesterday.
So your wife won't be happy to hear that.
And I hope you help me to say sorry.
See if she's there.
Tell her husband is itchy to see her.
I'll get your wife for you.
Oh, I'm happy to see you. You're looking so handsome.
Tina! Yes. What? I have a big surprise for you. Come upstairs, come upstairs.
Surprise.
Oh, come.
Let's...
That's the hands of wake.
Good.
The wake of God.
Oh, Nina, please ask them to bring a glass for...
I'm okay.
Oh,
Thank
no.
you so much.
Don't tell me you full shy.
Oh, no.
Irish cream?
Oh, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. You know doctors don't like to drink sometimes.
What is the surprise?
Come on.
Tina, my dear.
Yes, Father.
Ah, that's my daughter. I love you, baby.
You love me, yeah?
I love you, my baby.
Then you hate mommy.
Daddy's daughter, I know. You. Let's go on to our...
Tina, take a close look at this gentleman. Tell me who he is.
I don't know him.
Oh, come on!
Yeah.
Look at him.
Open your eyes very well.
I don't know him.
Okay, let me help you out. That is Amwati.
Amote.
Yes.
The son of Mr. Hansby.
Exactly! My daughter.
Wow.
That's it. Yes.
So where have you been all these years?
Oh, I've been in the States studying, and I'm now a medical practitioner, and I'm about to set up my own hospital here.
Really? Oh, okay. You're looking good.
You're looking so gorgeous too.
Thank you, and thanks to my parents.
Tina, my dear, you know Mr. Husband to be my very good friend of the family and a business partner as well. Throughout my life, I've been trying my best to give you the best of life, happiness. It is my wish that you never experience poverty, even after my death. A noble lady, a noble daughter from a noble home deserves a noble young man for a husband.
Mr. Noble. From a noble daughter
I know
to a
you
noble and a noble...
I know at 23, you know what I'm driving at.
No.
Your parents. We have decided to propose Amwati for you to marry.
Marry him?
Yes, my princess.
But, Dad, I am not ready for marriage.
Oh, that's no problem. All I want is agree to my proposal. I don't mind waiting till you're ready to marry me.
Agree to what? Listen, gentlemen, I am not ready and my answer remains no.
Yes, Tina, you know, at 23, you should be ready to start thinking of marriage.
Tina, age is usually not the friend of women. You are not 23 and you have to start thinking about your future partner.
Yes, of course, Mom. Like, let's go easy, you know. As a matter of time, I think she will just pick it up.
Pick what up? Listen, gentlemen, the answer remains no. I am not ready. That's it.
Tina, you don't understand. We want the best for you.
Tina, mind your speech. Amwatan is the best and perfect man for you.
Mother, yes, he might be a perfect gentleman. But I don't love him. Good, I like him, yes.
Tina,
but I don't love him.
Those in palanquins don't feel the heat on the ground. Do you know the number of beautiful girls who have set their eyes on this noble Amwatan, a full medical practitioner? He can take good care of you in life.
Mother, the point here is, money is not everything. I mean, do I have to marry somebody because of his money? Someone I don't love? Tell me, weren't you in love with Dad before you got married? So why can't I get someone my heart desire? Mother, love is all about happiness. I mean, marriage is all about happiness and love. Please, Dad, live my life for me.
Will you shut up? What do you know about love? Can love alone feed you, clothe you, and shelter you?
Dad, the point here is, love is above everything, including money. And it should be considered above everything, Dad.
How dare you exchange words with your father? How dare you?
Mom, you're getting on my nerves.
Tina.
Excuse me.
Tina. 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 Don't worry.
Oh, I'm okay. I think it's a matter of time.
Yes, you should calm down. You know, you eat for zebra, and sometimes they like it, but they like to play some tricks. But,
anyway, yes,
yeah,
that's
we'll talk to her.
That's the strategy of women. Ayoyo, ayoyo means adiano sope.
Oh, seriously, I promise to make your daughter so happy.
Oh, I know.
We know.
I know.
Not you alone.
We know.
We know. It even tells on your face.
But don't tell your father anything here. We'll work it. Everything.
Okay. No problem. I know she'll cope.
Right.
Oh, Tina. Good evening. Tina, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Is your dad at home?
Well, I left early, so I am not so sure.
Oh, okay. So, will you be going home very soon?
Can't you see I'm eating?
I'm sorry.
If you want to know if my dad is at home, you can go and check yourself. Why are you bothering me with your silly questions? Why?
Okay, I'm very sorry. Just take this for your meal.
Thank you, I don't need it.
Please, I insist. It's from my heart.
I'm sorry, I don't need your money.
Tina, I insist. Please.
Alright, if you insist, put it down.
Tina, we see.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
It's a long story. I will tell you later.
Tina, that is why I want you to cut a long story short and tell me who he is. We see.
I said I will tell you later. Come on. Fred, I will tell you later. Please sit. Please. Yeah? Fred.
Tina.
Don't tell me. What's wrong?
Very sorry for the embarrassment I have caused you.
What do you want from me?
Tina, I love you. Okay?
What is wrong with you? I don't love you. Okay? Get it straight. I don't love you. I hate you. Besides, you're too young for me. God knows if you can even take care of yourself. Come to think of, yeah, I love you. I want to take care of you. Better go get yourself some pampers.
What?
Son, I hope everything's alright.
Oh,
you know, for some time we've not had time to talk. But let me ask you, how are you doing with your newfound love?
Dad, the girl is giving me sweet out of hell.
What? Tina?
Of course, Daddy.
What the hell? And what are the parents doing about that?
Well, they are doing their best, but I think it's not enough.
What? Well, okay, don't worry. I will personally go there and talk to Tina. And I know once I come in, everything is going to be alright.
Sure, Daddy?
Oh, yes.
Dad, I'm so proud of you, man.
Yeah. I want you to listen to me. You are my only son. And you also know that Tina is the only daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Broby. I don't want the two of you to wallow in poverty. We have a covenant together. So that's the reason why I'm doing all these things. I'm putting my shares there so that in future the two of you can enjoy and never see poverty in your life.
And that is the main reason why I flew all the way from America to Ghana, leaving those girls there.
I know there are beautiful girls in America, but when you talk about a girl who is cultured, who is polished, doing domestic things, I mean, you need to marry. You as a medical practitioner, I'm sure once you get married and then you invite people to your home, you should have a woman who will be able to cook, to serve, to do things that are right.
Oh my man, Daddy. They've got taste.
Oh, yeah, you know that.
Oh gosh, man.
Yeah, you know, I know she's a little bit older than you, but don't worry, that's okay. It doesn't matter.
Oh, come on, Daddy. I know. But I'm a real man, a whole-grown medical practitioner.
Definitely.
Cheers.
We drink to your newfound love, eh?
To my newfound love,
Tina.
Daddy. And the girl is so beautiful.
Oh, yes, I know that.
Dad, you've got taste. Thanks so much.
And she's trained.
Of course, Dad.
She's beautiful like the mother.
Right. Believe me, I have nothing to do with him.
If you have nothing to do with him, why did you collect the money he gave you?
But Fred, you were there when he insisted. You can't blame me for that.
I can see you a big liar. Big pretender. You have the gut to drive to my house to lie to me. Simply because you think I'm a fool, right? Okay, fool me. I'm ready for you. Fool me.
Jesus. Fred. You call me a liar. Why should I lie to you? Why are you calling me names? Listen. The truth is, my parents wanted me to marry him. But I chose you. I don't love any man apart from you.
You mean your parents?
Yes. Is this why you've been avoiding me?
I'm sorry. I didn't know that. I'm sorry, please. Please forgive me.
Listen, the next time you treat me like this, I'm gonna kill you.
You know I'm not going to treat you like that again, don't you? I'm sorry.
Are you stupid? You don't pick my calls. What do you want me to do?
Oh, you see, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Will you marry me?
I'll marry you.
Oh, what? Come on, don't worry. You put it over.
I go.
Oh yeah.
That's why I'm
Tina. What's it there, sir?
Miss me Tina.
Oh, Tina.
Aye.
I will come best.
Madam for pa.
Oh, you go bravo. Your friend say.
A friend Della.
Della. Let me book you first.
Booking.
Yes, of course. Because Muku are untiminko.
Now they are going to na me booking.
When ya, she. Yes, you are going to Unkwani Buku. He said your name is Della. Am I like?
I didn't know which me painted.
Listen what your friend saying.
Is your friend Della?
Della.
Ah.
La. When you feel saying?
I do mean po. I'm not afraid.
Unka me amitimi hu me hu tenten no tietia amitimi hu yes awo 25 May 1975. Nonsense.
This can now pa me ni biu. This can now pa me ni bi me ni hwe me dem. Bi dan na me hu tina.
See your time. 11:45.
But you afraid na mama why?
Ufiti yesen. Obey 4.5. Unu funda kakura. Aye mahakwa. Mubaha. Eti aduma we pa make so offer me court poolside. No people from ra. Na me hwe nsuo no so. We jare amagiji says card. I didn't know them bia ubia ba ne se. Nene kasa. O mu me ya retire for Jaman. You come person. Come inside.
You know they say was say me me must.
Don't go, General. Hey. Where you go? And sana be hu twe di ampon, onyankopon. This offer so above us. We hu ati asefo aba na mpanifo aduonu na ansa na hu Christ. You hu Christ kwa. Take it. Na okwa ombe hu tama we di book here ni bibia.
Okay.
Hey! Where you go?
Ah, na say me Tina.
Don't go. Where you go? If you move, I will knock your leg.
Obedi.
Stand firm, you know what?
Oh God.
Ni humi, utini yefu. Usandro mena pa, drum.
And so me mu.
Oh, don't go. Run up.
Tina.
She, frene. Mema klama you. Move on. Move on.
On patch.
Move.
Oh.
Move. Move.
Hey, you me see.
Ah, what an aswa. Come. Jawa, uba ya juma bi.
O de jiwe na ma me ko wa mesra. O de jiwe na ma me.
Ato de bi am pesiki, ato de bi so am pe yi. Eyi ni hia mesni. We wo hwe ayade. We ni say ayade. Say dey.
Na wa de na kita no ni ma de ko. We say de wa be.
Say, hey! Oh.
Ati na wo ye o tete me. Ah.
There.
Eh?
Me obey me.
Da bi wo ye papa. Me o de nsese ade madam for ne.
Se me nye papa kama ma kronfo be wi ayi dada. Eso kronfo ntimi enter inside ha. Hey, me nye papa.
Wo de me fero. Pretty na mama.
Hey!
Tina!
Don't what?
Hey, I didn't. Hey, Tina! Hey,
now
Tina! Itu baba ni do. Hey.
Wa bu mi ko.
Tina! Ah! Wa bu mi.
Ato fara ho anka chi afeda. Afeda yin anka odi be ye firi wo.
Nya me tua wo.
O tua wo so ka so. O trimi sa andromena. Shake your body. Shake your body. Pam panana. To sa monchi why? Froko. Oba ko ba betume, oba pass ya no akọ. Ebra fi so ato afare. Ni na ho ababi. Ha baby. Agi ba. Ani musa kam jiske. We den kam sai su. Utimi pronounce adia. And once I come to Nisha, I can't see from. I took on him. Your Betty soon, some at table, boom, my Jim,
Freddie. Ah, Kasai. What's one name won't come? One name won't come. Can be picture me. Eh, Freddie?
Mom.
Yay.
So, about you and I'm on Tina.
Aye.
So, you see your body.
Oh, what did you say?
Yeah, she shower. You perceive her.
No one will be worried. Well, Banwana say, one never worry.
Mammy. Na enemy or ban a worry bearman. A bearman a worry over. Yin Yanni, I can't hear your say, you perceive worry.
Why, yeah. Now, or mamma no papa or mamma.
Oh, my catcher, my catcher.
I know, must say.
My prince, my prince, I'm saying why.
I want so print our lane so. So, Branaba Wallet.
More prince to pentem compensate.
Oh,
compensate.
Oh,
you worry.
Oh, we trade yapon, as I say. Me dawase, papa. Me pay dear. What quabon timber would you have the pubby fear? Yeah, trade yapon, as I say, me dawase. If you say me pay what you Nenim Ninachi, a home can be a nim.
I don't know, Cassa, mammy.
Never, Papa, wait, dear. Nechin and nim, a home can won't. Hey, ye wanted to say to Sika what them say boo. And I own them Sika Galano. Ain't a biba kayay. Which way we watch Le Prada. Watch Le Prada. Watch you cry well a pet. No be best from repair me watch him, mamma. Eh, no answer what the abon walk to Pam on Tiawaka. Ubabano wouldn't yes, Canada, Mama. Nasha Papa way was so opel. Just opel. Quack. A bush and Fonso shot yes, quack.
Busiano.
What you say? Marie, say me how. Eh, a day yes, he emotion, Madame, na. Far cray binim, eh,
Timami,
Papa. Our dinner plus papa.
Won't touch any.
Midimi soon, midimi be bia metawachi.
No tamachi, dear. My name is be a guy.
Yo, couldn't go jolly. Yeah,
to won't touch any.
How?
Almost, my gentleman,
If you have for someone new, what dream of Fiado? If you have for Hammy, hey, if you Cacrabian and a lad bay, and a baby, hey, they say me banner call a po, a qualipa, and then we see a car cry, you can hide off floor, you can hide off floor, yet the one diamond, yet the one diamond, hey, and so this here, why? Maybe, why, and so did the piano. That means you will be manager. Maybe.
This guy, he's very fluent.
Yeah. It reminds me of that boy who wanted to be the assemblyman.
Oh!
Unfortunately, we lost that guy. Now we need to groom somebody to take up that position. I know my little daughter. Give me a little push.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
Yes, my daughter.
Yes.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Are you with him?
Yes. Come on, sit.
Take a seat.
Don't blow me any kiss. I don't need it.
Yeah.
You gave it pet.
to your father. You're throwing it to somewhere.
I take
You
it
seem
back.
to be excited this evening.
Yes, Dad. Today is a special day in my life.
Is today her birthday?
Of course not. You should know your daughter's birthday.
Say. Anyway, Dad, you meet Fred.
Well, Fred, you meet my parents.
Ah, gentlemen, you're welcome.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Dad.
Yeah.
Fred is the man I want to marry.
You want to what?
I want to marry.
Dad, what's wrong with that?
Gentlemen,
Sir.
what do you do for a living?
Please, I'm a professional watch repairer.
Professional what?
Watch repairer.
Professional watch repairer.
But my mother is a tomato seller.
Tomato seller? Son of a tomato seller? And you want to marry my daughter? Jesus Christ. Gentlemen, that's the door. Out!
Dad, you can't do that.
Out, I say!
No, stay.
Sit.
Shut up! Come on, leave! At once!
And where do you think you are going? Sit down.
Dad, Mom, what?
Sit down!
I've told him, Faye.
Sit.
Hey, Tina. A professional watch repairer.
And the son of a tomato seller.
Mother, why can't you leave me to choose my own man? Tina, it is true that life is in grades. But obviously not a professional watch repairer. Do you want to tarnish the image of this family? Girl, he can never look after you. Never. God.
Listen. Mom and Dad.
Absolutely nothing is going to change my mind on Fred. Excuse me. You've told in vain. God. How can he bring such a person in looking at our status in the society?
Please, give me some chance.
It's not easy.
We all laughed. Then he said, no, that's not alone. He's a very good golfer. He never misses any hole.
You, I'm sure your wife will be enjoying these jokes from you.
I'm telling you. Then I said, gentlemen, give me my papers. They gave it to me. And I said, can I have my keys? And then he gave the keys to me. Oh, you are a rich man. I said, no, I'm not rich. I am a hard-working man. I told you I'll buy it. You thought I was joking. I took it all right.
No, what are you
These are
saying?
the papers. Yeah. I told you. I bought it. I bought it.
My, oh my.
Wow. This is the key.
My, oh my. But that car costs over $200,000.
250,000 cities. Hey, cash.
That reminds me. What are you going to do with your Lexus?
Oh, I've given it to Tina. I mean, she's using it now.
Jesus Christ, can't believe this. Wow. But that reminds me.
Yeah.
Martin was telling me that Tina has been proving difficult these days. How true is that?
Oh, don't take it serious. No, Tina is just a kid, and children of today, they need time to think about certain things. It's all about youthful exuberance. Nothing. Don't worry, everything's under control.
Well, if you say so. Now, Mr. Ruby, I want you to remember our covenant.
Yes. The covenant, yes. The covenant. The covenant. Man. Tina, do you understand what you're doing? Do you? I'm talking to you.
Yes, Daddy.
Then you better change your mind. Because I'm not going to allow you to marry that professional worship bearer. Not in this house.
Dad, I love Fred.
Listen, my daughter. Listen. I know where your heart is. But it cannot be possible. It cannot.
Why, Mommy?
That boy is below our standard.
Please, Mommy, don't tear my heart apart. All I know is I love Fred.
You are kidding. Tina, you are kidding. You either marry a Martin or you pack your things and get out of this house. You have 1 week to decide.
Please. Just can't reach it.
Take my hand. Take it.
Tina. Tina. Do you want to disgrace this family? See how furious your father is. Tina, give it a second thought. Give your decision a second thought. See, we love you. And Martin is the best man for you. He's responsible. You're selfish. Tina.
You selfish mother. I hate you.
For now, I know you will hate me. Give your heart to a Martin.
Son? Why are you drinking this early morning? Son, let me tell you, I don't want you to be worried. I know how it feels. Tina will be yours soon, so there's no need for you to worry. Please.
Dad! Dad! I'm losing patience! What do you want to do, Dad? Look at me! I'm reducing water like this!
Listen to me. I can feel it and I can assure you that don't do this to yourself. Stop the drink. Give it to me. Give it to me. No, just give it to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm a father. I know how you're feeling. The father has assured me of his support. Let's leave Tina to cool off a little bit and everything's going to be alright.
Look at what, Daddy! Can't you just see?
I can't.
Dad, you made me come all the way from America!
It's okay.
And look at what you're doing to me!
There's no need for
What
you.
is it?
There's no need
Dad,
for you to.
look at the way she's treating me! God. I am sick and tired of this, Daddy.
I know that. I can feel it for you. So I'm just assuring you. Not to. No. You can't drink again. Give me the cover. No, give me the cover. It's okay. Listen to me. Trust me. You don't have to do this to yourself. It's okay. Let's go. Come on. Alright. Stop crying.
I mean, Dad, just imagine. Daddy.
I can feel it, but there's no need for you to worry too much.
Me, Tina. Dad.
Tina will be yours. Okay.
Why do you want to choose me for your personal interest? Just give me some chance. I want to decide for my own. Please, give me some chance.
It's not easy. I got problems and some troubles in my life.
Troubles in my life. It's not easy.
I got problems and some troubles in my life.
Troubles in my life. Life without making choices, no kind of life at all. You got to stand up for something, even you might fall. I have made my own choices, I know not gonna be easy. He's the one that I love. I just wanted to spend the rest of my life with this guy. Oh, oh, no easy, Enye easy, yeah.
It's not easy. I got problems and some.
Good afternoon, Fred. I'm greeting you. Fred, why are you treating me this way? I have not heard from you for the past 3 days. What have I done?
Tina, please leave me alone. Leave me and let me think. Please, I want to think, so leave me alone.
Thinking of what? Fred. Fred, I am the one who loves you, not my father.
Tina, no. I don't think I can continue with this relationship. Please, Tina, let's quit. Let's quit.
You can't do this to me. You know I love you. You know what? I don't care about what my parents are going to do.
How can I marry you without the approval of your parents? I mean, how?
Fred, it doesn't matter. My love for you is genuine. I am for real.
Are you sure?
Please don't do this to me.
It's okay, stop crying, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's okay.
I love you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Where is your mother?
They're inside. Do you want to sit there? Okay, let's go. I'm sorry. Let me help you with your bag. Mama?
Thank you.
Mama?
It's not easy. I got problems and some troubles in my life.
Troubles in my life.
Beno, I am Montana. Opa Ben Pipi. Oh, fro. Opa Ben. Oh, I'm waiting. Oh, come inside. Ah, that's how better was young from Guyana. Oh, we are saving all the person. I have one. No one. Hey, stop. I'm watching, one idea. Hey, more than Africa, I say.
Oh, Coffee.
Yay.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm so nice, good.
Coffee. Where's Tina?
Tina is there. The beach, yeah, poolside.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, oh, not there.
Oh, Coffee.
I'm watching.
Oh, Coffee.
When my dear, yeah, what do you put do for that and that? Why we ain't kind? Yes. I'm watching. Yay.
So, she's there.
Yeah, go. Spark. Hey, I'm watching. Me, oh, yeah, the one here, they are self. I pass it here and then come approach. Now I straight and up one. Hey! Hey! Black! Who go put that? I want to see when. Who go put that in the yes. Oh, you're looking so good.
It looking good. I like the costume.
Yeah, it's overall. Yeah. Overall.
Coffee.
Yeah. Yeah. Mini Christ, son of God. Now, maybe. Oh, I'm waiting. Say, Nipen, you never fear. I know, Mammy, go to my this year. Oh, by maybe you cook Nifanta, no dear. But it's a continue. You see, do you ever come up? Nam do we edit. I dear chin. I'm do you come up? I'm a sad do we edit.
Hello, Enye. How are you? Come on, Tina. Hey, what is it? What is eating you up?
What do you want from me? What else do you want me to tell you to prove to you that I don't love you?
Tina, tell me it's a lie. You know I love you so much. Besides, I mean, we were together since our childhood, and nothing any of us can do. You know it.
God, stop it! Shut up, okay? Gone are the days when those things were done. Not now. I'm a grown woman. Now, please leave my house.
I'm a medical doctor. God, I feel good.
Ah! What do you want from me, huh? What do you want from me?
Life without making choices, no kind of life at all. You got to stand up for something, even you might fall. I have made my own choices, I know not gonna be easy. He's the one that I love. I just wanted to spend the rest of my life with this guy. Oh, oh, no easy, Enye easy, yeah.
It's not easy. I got problems and some troubles in my life. some trouble.